Dreaming of homegrown potatoes but short on space? Good news! You can grow a mountain of spuds in just a 2 by 2 foot patch. Forget long rows and trenches. The Amish have a smarter vertical method that lets you stack your potato harvest sky high. Instead of spreading out, we build up, layering soil and straw as the plants grow. Each new layer means more potatoes, all in a tiny footprint. The secret? Potatoes form tubers along any buried stem, so the more you bury, the more you harvest. This method uses space, sunlight, and nutrients efficiently, perfect for small gardens or patios. You'll be amazed at how much you can grow in such a small area. Ready to turn a doormat-sized patch into a potato powerhouse? Stick around for the step-by-step guide. Subscribe to Nature's Fix for more clever gardening hacks. Let's get started. Great potatoes start with great soil. Mark out your 2 by 2 foot square and dig down at least a foot. Remove stones and weeds, then mix in plenty of compost or well-rotted manure. Potatoes are hungry plants. Aim for a deep, rich, crumbly bed that holds moisture but drains well. Boost your soil with a drenching of compost tea before planting. Think of it as a vitamin shot for your patch. Whether you're using a raised bed or digging into the ground, don't skimp on organic matter. Healthy living soil is the secret to a bumper crop. Take your time with this step. It's the foundation for everything that follows. The better your soil, the bigger your harvest. Prep it right, and your potatoes will thrive. Now, let's plant. For a 2 by 2 foot bed, 4 seed potatoes are all you need. Cut large potatoes so each piece has at least 2 eyes, then let them dry for a day or 2. Plant them in the corners of your patch, eyes up, and cover with 4 to 6 inches of soil. Water well and wait for green shoots. When plants reach 8 inches tall, add a mix of compost and straw, burying all but the top leaves. Repeat this layering every time the plants grow another 8 inches. Each new layer means more buried stem and more potatoes. Build your tower higher as the season goes on. This vertical method maximizes your harvest in minimal space. Keep layering and watch your potato tower grow. Consistent moisture is key. Check the soil every few days and water deeply if it feels dry. Straw mulch helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and keeps potatoes from turning green. If you see exposed soil or tubers, add more straw. Mid-season, give your plants a boost with compost tea. Skip high nitrogen fertilizers to focus growth on tubers, not leaves. Avoid overwatering. Soggy soil leads to rot. Don't overcrowd. 4 plants are plenty for this space. Layer high and often. The more stem you bury, the bigger your harvest. Good airflow prevents disease, so keep plants spaced. Watch for pests and remove any damaged leaves. With a little care, your potato tower will thrive. Stay attentive and you'll be rewarded. Harvest time arrives when the plants yellow and die back. Stop watering and let the skins toughen for better storage. To harvest, gently pull apart your tower by hand. No tools needed. Dig through the layers and collect potatoes at every level. Let them dry out of direct sun, then brush off soil. Don't wash until ready to eat. Store in a cool, dark, well-ventilated place away from onions. This method proves you don't need a big garden for a big harvest. By working with the plant's natural growth, you maximize yield in minimal space. Anyone can grow a mountain of potatoes with a little know-how and care. There's nothing quite like digging up your own homegrown spuds.